Question 4. Raya buys a van for £8,500 plus VAT at 20%. Raya pays a deposit for the van. She then pays the rest of the cost in 12 equal payments of £531.25 each month. Find the ratio of the deposit Raya pays to the total of the 12 equal payments. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now there's a little bit of vocab in here you need to know what it means. VAT stands for value added tax, and that is added on to the amount you buy the van for, and this VAT is at 20%, so I'm going to have to add 20% on to 8,500. Raya doesn't buy the van for 8,500, it's 8,500 plus a value added tax of 20%. The deposit is the amount Raya puts down before the 12 equal payments start. So let's take a look, because there's 5 marks in this question, so we want to show lots of workings. First off, we need to work out the total cost of the van. So this is the £8,500, and if I want to add on 20% VAT, or 20% of anything, I times it by 1.20. I don't need the 0, but it might help you to see the 20 and the 20 there. Then you pick up your calculator. So we've got 8,500 times 1.2, 10,200. So this van in total is going to cost Raya £10,200. That process picks you up the first mark. We're not told what the deposit is, but we're told she pays the rest in 12 equal payments. So if we work out the total of the equal payments, we'll be able to work out the deposit. So the equal payments, and write things out so the examiner knows exactly what you're doing. They can't mark what you're thinking, they can only mark what you show them. It's £531.25 times 12. Again, the calculator is going to come in very useful. 531.25 times 12. 6,375. Notice I'm not just writing the answers down, I'm showing my workings. 6,300. And now I have 2 marks out of the 5 available. I need to know what the deposit is though, because that's going to be how I write my ratio at the end. So the deposit must have been the total cost, 10,200, minus 6,375, the amount paid over the 12 months. Again, I've shown my workings, and I've got 10,200 minus 6,375. So the deposit must have been 3,825. 3,825. And now I've got my third mark. So to answer the question, find the ratio of the deposit Raya pays. Well, the deposit was 3,825 to the total of the 12 equal payments, 6,375. Writing it in that form picks you up your 4th mark. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now you could divide both of these by 5 or even by 25 and keep simplifying, but because you've got a calculator, there is a slightly easier way to do it. If I put the fraction mode on, 3,825 is a number on the top, and the number on the bottom 6,375. So if I change the ratio to a fraction, I can see that it simplifies to 3/5. That means that the ratio will also simplify to 3 to 5, and I have my 5th mark. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're finding these videos useful.